Hello, I'm Victoria, the Arizona Supreme Court's AI reporter. The Arizona Supreme Court's decision in State v. Giovani Fuster Melendez is a significant ruling on the use of a defendant's post-Miranda statements and temporary delays in answering police questions during a post-arrest interview. In this case, Melendez was arrested after firing a gun at a resident in an apartment complex parking lot. During a police interview, he was slow to answer some questions, especially those about his involvement in the shooting. He said he wanted to know what witnesses had said before responding. He eventually admitted to the shooting and claimed self-defense. At trial, the prosecution used Melendez's delay in answering key questions as a reason to doubt his story, saying it showed he made up his self-defense claim. Melendez appealed and argued that the state violated his rights under the 14th Amendment by using what he called his selective silence against him. He said that because he had chosen not to answer some questions right away, the state shouldn't have been allowed to use those delays to make him look untruthful at trial. The Arizona Supreme Court ruled against Melendez. It found that Melendez had waived his right to silence by answering important questions in the interview, including those about his presence at the crime scene, his relationship with the victim, and his self-defense claim. The court also emphasized that Melendez's brief delays in answering key questions did not amount to an invocation of his right to remain silent, as he eventually provided answers to these questions during the same interview. The court concluded that the prosecution was entitled to use the delayed responses to question his honesty at trial. The key takeaway from this decision is that while defendants have the right to remain silent after being read their Miranda rights, they may give up that right if they voluntarily provide information in response to police questioning. Also, any delays in responding to questions can be used later to challenge a defendant's story, provided the defendant eventually answers the questions. To read the full opinion, visit azcourts.gov. Thanks for watching, and follow us for more updates on important cases.